So here we have the Volkswagen Polo TSI Match in DSG, so it's the automatic on a 17 plate. I'm going to show you around the outside of the car first of all, and then we'll hop in and run through a few controls on the inside. But as you'll see from the outside, it's a three-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot, and then we can work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we've got reversing sensors, plenty of boot space along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, and this tray area will lift up to reveal even more space underneath, and you can remove this entirely should you wish to. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then I'll hop in and we can run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see that it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Before I climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. As you can see, the seats are in wonderful condition. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we've got the rev counter, and on the right hand side the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle is the trip computer, which also displays the total miles of the car, which are only 2,725. You can change information that's displayed on here using the buttons on the right hand side of the steering wheel. So the menu I'm in at the moment is the driver's menu, so you can have a digital readout of the speedometer amongst other bits of fuel economy information. There are other menus to the left and right of that, so you can access your phone menu, audio and driving data, which is where we were just a second ago. Backing out to the steering wheel, on the right hand side are the arrows I was using a moment ago, as well as the ability to answer the phone and use voice activation for the phone. So pressing that button and asking the car to dial someone in your contacts list, it will do that once of course you've paired your phone. And on the left hand side we've got cruise control and volume controls for the stereo. Over in the centre is the main touchscreen where you would set up your phone amongst other things, but before I come on to that, just above that, this button here is the stop and start. So this car is designed to cut out when your foot is on the brake and you are stationary in traffic. What I've just done is turn it off. Otherwise, leaving it as it is there will mean that it's on all the time. And you can turn on the front parking sensors from there. The rear ones will turn on as soon as you put the car in reverse. So you've got a few menu buttons down the right and left hand side. Once you've accessed the menu, everything else then becomes touchscreen. So at the moment we're in the radio menu. If I hit band down the bottom there, you can see this car's got DAB, FM and AM radio. If we go media, that'll be the other ways we can listen to music aside from the radio. So media will open up and we can then check the different sources. So this car's got a CD player, an SD memory card slot, USB input, Bluetooth audio so you can stream music wirelessly, and an auxiliary input as well. And then you can pair your phone from there. Once your phone is paired, obviously you'll be able to listen to music and make phone calls. Just beneath that, we've got the air conditioning on the car. So select the temperature from here, fan speed in the middle, direction of the air on the right hand side, turn the air conditioning on. This button will recirculate the air that's in the car or bring fresh air in from outside the car. We then have the auxiliary socket, a 12-volt charging socket and the USB input there, and the fully automatic DSG gearbox in the middle. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.